Hello guys, guavas aren't just for tropical vacations but for your kitchen too. So, why should you eat guava? First off, it's packed with vitamin C, even more than oranges. And fiber. Oh yeah, guavas have got plenty of that too, which keeps your digestion smooth as butter. Now, let's talk salad. Start with fresh guava. Chop it up into bite-sized chunks. Toss in some mixed greens, whatever you've got. Add a handful of cherry tomatoes and some sliced red onions. A sprinkle of chili for that tangy kick. Finally, drizzle a bit of olive oil and a splash of lime juice. There you have it. A sweet, tangy guava salad that'll make your taste buds dance. Try it out and let your kitchen feel like a tropical paradise. Happy cooking! Guavas are indeed packed with goodness. Here's a quick rundown of their health benefits and a simple salad recipe to enjoy their refreshing flavor. Health benefits of guavas. Rich in vitamin C, guavas contain more vitamin C than many citrus fruits, helping boost immunity and collagen production. High in fiber, the fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health. Rich in antioxidants, these protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Low in calories, guavas are a great option for those watching their calorie intake. Rich in minerals, they provide potassium, magnesium, and other essential minerals. Easy guava salad recipe. Ingredients: guavas, washed and sliced. Peeled and sliced onion. Sliced tomato. 3 pieces of chili. Juice of lime. Salt and pepper to taste. Wash and slice the guavas, cucumber, and red onion. Mixing, in a large bowl, combine guava slices, red onion slices, and chopped tomato and chili. Drizzle lime juice over the salad and toss gently to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately as a refreshing side dish or a light snack. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.